In front of me is OnePlus 15R, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to open Photos app and select Albums at the bottom right corner. Now pick an album from which you want to delete your photos. Hold one of them and click on Select All at the top right corner. Now to keep some of your photos, hold one and swipe your finger across. You can also click on the chosen one at the bottom right corner. To delete the rest, click on the Delete button at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!